Did you know that one actress's death almost destroyed an entire Hollywood studio? When Marilyn Monroe died in August 1962, she was filming Something's Got to Give for 20th Century Fox. Her sudden death instantly cost the studio $2 million and nearly bankrupted them. Fox had already poured massive amounts into elaborate sets, expensive costumes, and Dean Martin's hefty salary. After months of production, they only had 30 minutes of usable footage. But here's where it gets worse. Dean Martin, Monroe's co-star, completely refused to work with any replacement actress. He walked away from the project entirely, forcing Fox to scrap the whole film. The studio was so desperate for cash, they had to sell off valuable land assets just to survive. Pieces of their precious backlot went to developers. One star's unexpected death literally reshaped Hollywood's economic landscape. Monroe didn't just leave behind an unfinished movie, she left behind a studio fighting for its life.